Seriously? My storage is full again? I really need to delete some of these photos. Wow, I finally found it! Let's see what this can do. I think 500 KB is good, and I'll set it to JPG. Perfect. That looks so cute. Beginning file compression. Compression complete. I just found the perfect gift for them. Look at this couple figurine. I'm sending the picture right now.